Hello guys, good morning. Yesterday we have discussed that mkdir command. Today we are going to discuss rmdir command. Rmdir command is nothing but it is used to delete a blank directory and delete a blank directory. Okay, so what is the meaning of that? Like if any directory is blank, means no subdirectory, no files are exist as a child of that particular directory, then only we can remove a particular directory. So for example, let's say directory is there, like I have a directory, I have created one directory, right? That is cdh2, then here this my directory is there, I want to remove it. Okay, so rmdir uh, minus rmdir command is used to delete the directory. So put a minus v already, always. Why you should put minus v? Now, rmdir command like such. For example, this rmdir, then rm, then cp, then mv, they will act, they will do their work, but they will not sound. They will not shout actually. Means what is the meaning of shout here? They will not tell anything that I have created. They'll simply create. For example, I am just removing this rm my directory. Okay, so it is removing. After that, if you put a ls command, then it is not showing anything, but it is not telling you that I have removed. For that reason, we have to put that rmdir minus v option hello. Okay, so it is removing that. Okay, it is still removing directory hello. So now check. So it is giving a suitable message after this rmdir command. So so many commands are there where you can put minus v for seeing the message after the action is performed. Okay, without v it will do the action, but it will not perform, not see any message, show any message. But with v, it is going to show the message after doing any action. Let's do one thing that I have used that rmdir command for blank directories, the directories which didn't contain anything. Let's apply the same to a directory which is already having some child. So what it is telling? Removing directory A, it was trying to remove that directory A, but failed to remove A because directory not empty. That means A is containing something. That means there is something in the A directory. So what? How to know? Tree A. So if you check, A contains B directory, B contains C directory. So basically, A contains another hierarchy of that another hierarchy of folders or subdirectories. So that's why we can't remove this particular directory A. So how to remove this? So if you remember, I have given a very good example that it has child. Okay, so if this rmdir command is thinking that if I will delete this particular A, then what about its child? Okay, so like it's a billion, it's a hero, like Salman Khan is a hero, but he is trying to somebody sent that person like Salman Khan to kill somebody. Okay, so he went to kill that person, but after going to the place of that person who is going to be killed, there he Salman Khan is seeing, yeah, there is some dependency, like that person has a child, that person has a father, that person is mother, that person has a wife. So if he is deleting that particular person, or if he is killing that particular person, then lot of dependency are there. So the dependency will come to the road, like they will suffer a lot. That's why he denied to the main villain, like I can't delete that, I can't um, kill that person. So like this, rmdir telling I can't remove a directory which contains some other directories. Okay. So what to do in this case? There is a command called rm minus r. Rm minus r can help you to remove that directory A. If a directory is present with a file or with a subdirectory, then this rm minus r will remove them put a V, you will see how it is removing. It will remove the child first, then it will remove the men. So first it will remove D, then C, then B, then A. Check. Okay. So R with RM command, not with rmdir command. R with RM command, it is removing. So although I didn't tell you about RM, now it is just for the remember purpose. You the directory you can't remove because the directory you can't remove because of its child dependency, that can be removed through rm minus r of sum. Okay, let's check that rm command. See, so rm command is basically to remove a file. Let's say I have a file a1.txt and I have directory mkdir, let's say abcd. Then I have directory mkdir minus p, like a slash pv, just put a pv, a slash b slash c slash d slash e, is creating this directory. Then I am able to I want to apply that rm command, so create another file also, like touch, let's say a2.txt, because before that executing that rm command, I created this four things. So for you, it is looking like, what is that? A1 is a file, A2 is a file, A is directory, B, C is directory. But for me, I'm going to apply the four options of this special rm command. So let's do that rm command, or let's apply that rm command for a a1.txt, rm a1.txt. It is simply removing that. Okay, just see. It is removed, but it didn't tell anything. So if I want to shout, like after removing it is shout. So rm minus v a2.txt. So it is telling, yeah, a2 is removed. You see? Okay. Suppose I have a file like vi a1.txt again. I am writing something here. So see, it is an important file. Let's say it is an important file which contains some 28 characters. Before removing, sometimes I am writing this rm command a1.txt. It is simply deleting. Suppose it's an important file, and I want, if I am deleting any file, it will just prompt me. Sometimes I am accidentally deleting the file. Suppose I wanted to delete this file, but by mistakenly I clicked this, and in hurry mode I just executed that command rm then a. So it will simply remove. But here I want to set one flag, minus I. Minus I is for interactive. It is going to ask you that, are you sure? So just see, I am. So it is asking me, remove the irregular file a1.txt. If you put S, it is a kind of a lower level security. Y is for yes, it will remove. If you put N, then it is not going to remove. Right? So sometimes you got it right. So before removing, it is again confirming you that whether you are sure to delete it or not. If you are interested to delete, then put a Y. If not interested, then put a N. Sometimes in Red Hat, if you are going for the Red Hat enterprise version, there minus I is already on. What is the meaning of this? How all the flavors are playing that rm command differently? No, actually what happens, somebody from the main team of Red Hat, they have decided, so always even if a person is executing rm command, that minus I should be inbuilt. So what he did, he had done like this, alias rm minus I. Okay. So if he's doing this and he has made it permanent by putting the same thing into the bash file. So if I will do this, then always if I'm using rm command a1.txt, it will always ask me for the same. But this is also not good always. Why? Suppose you are writing one script and you in that script this line is written and you have scheduled that script as part of cron job. So in the cron you have written you are executing one script and that script contains this line. So that time it will again ask you, are you sure to delete this file or not? So who is there to put y or n? That's why you should put, if you are very sure to remove a particular file, if you are very sure, I'm telling, if you are very sure to remove the file, and inside the script, basically, always you are sure, that's why you are writing in script, okay? Writing one command. Because that script is going to be run not only by you, it will, but also it is going to be run by anyone. So they don't know how the script will behave. So that's why the script is simply removing. So before putting any files name inside a script to remove, so you just think 100 times, because you are trying to run your script automatically in some time. Suppose now it is 7:40 and you want to remove that file at 11 p.m. If it is so, then at 11 p.m. the machine is going to run your script. There are nobody there to put y or n. In that case, to suppress this nature of -i, you have to give a rm-f. If you are putting that -f or using -f along with rm command, then it is going to suppress that -i's nature. So it is simply removing without asking anything. Okay, just see, a1 is removed. And as I told, we have discussed I and f. As I told, rm command is also used to remove a directory which contains other directories. Because we know there is a different command for removing a directory, but that command is rmdir, but that rmdir can only remove the directory which contains nothing, but here a directory contains something, or that nothing here, the directory which does not contain anything, that is abcd. So I can delete that abcd. It is clear, it is easily removed. Let's see, before that, just do a tree on abcd. So tree command, this abcd contains nothing. That's why you can apply rmdir -b, just b, abcd. It is removed. But the same command like rmdir -v can't be used for a directory, because a directory is containing something. Let's see, tree a. So a directory is containing some subdirectories. To remove this a, rmdir is incapable. That's why we are using rm -r, then put a v, then a. So it will remove all. Oh, why it is asking? My I flag is on. That's why I put a n here. Okay. So again I am telling RFB or RVF. RVF. F will possibly. Okay. You see, it is first deleting the child one, then uska parent, then previous parent, then C ka parent, then A, getting me? Then B ka parent. Finally, A is there. So as the child has already killed or removed, now A is removed. So guys, this was all about your rmdir and rm command. So let's close this session for making short videos. Okay, so guys, thank you for your time. Okay, goodbye for today.